I forgot my makeup brushes. Okay, so first off, if you get them dogs, I'm gonna prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And my hands are dry, so excuse that. You wanna know what pain is? Dampening your beauty sponge and then dropping it on the floor. The NYX Milk pencils, I'm gonna take that as my base for today. Oh great, got it in my eyebrow, my eyelashes. So this eye looks brighter than this one, or darker, or whatever, because the look that I was doing, I didn't like it, so I had to use a wipe to get it off, get the shadows and stuff off, and my skin turned red. So I'm hoping that's the only reason why one side looks brighter than the other. So I'm still gonna use the 3502 palette color right here. Oh, like, I don't know, that wipe was rough. Like, my skin felt a little bit burnt. Like, it is not feeling too good at all. Like, if khaki was an eyeshadow, this would be it. Like, khaki, the new neutral. It hurts. Like, that white, it's like some goat milk brand or something like that. I don't know if it's too rough for my skin. I really wasn't being that rough, but my skin is burning. It kind of is not okay. Take this really chocolatey brown color. Okay, I think I'm okay with this shadow. I just use that same white to like get under my eyes. You know how you work with a couple shadows. You might have some fallout, and it's burning under here as well. Like, I don't know, it's just weird, like it burns. So I'm trying to think if I want to do foundation or not. Y'all know I have not touched foundation in so long. So long. I might use this Milani 2-in-1. Using my Sephora drops. Okay. 2-in-1 concealer and foundation by Milani is in the color 11 Amber. To speed you up, I have filled in my, well, one eyebrow with the Revlon Color Stay brow pencil. I've been using this for like a month or two. It's decent. Alright, so I'm back. I got my clothes on, got my wig on, you know. And I didn't even plan on wearing this wig. I haven't worn a lace front wig in so long. Like, it's either been buns, ponytails, or kinky curly half wigs. So, yeah, this unit was sent to me by Sam's Beauty probably back in like April or something. No, this wig, the name of the wig is April. I don't remember when they sent it to me. Anyway. That's about it. Okay, so I was gonna do like an orange lip, and I still might also and be done. This is Peanut Brittle by NYX. This is one of their intense butter glosses. It's pretty. This is Lancome's Juicy Tubes in the color, but it's really just clear gloss. This ain't showing. Y'all, I ain't been this made up in forever. That whole concealer video, that was light work. Light work. So here is my pumpkin spice fall look. I hope you guys like it. This is pretty easy. I just had to get my mind right. And this is it. So I hope you guys like this video. Yeah, I like it. I think it's cute. I think it's cute.